Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a potato curry today. This is called Dum Aloo. Aloo being potato, of course, I'm sure you know that. Dum means it's cooked slowly. This is absolutely delicious. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, Indian, spicy. Wow, 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 we are. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is about 7 cups roughly in volume of potatoes. Going to drop them into a mixing bowl. You can see what I've done with them, peeled them, kept them in that kind of shape, kind of whole little potatoes. We're going to get some seasoning on that. So let me get some salt happening. Maybe a couple of teaspoons there. Turmeric, again maybe a couple of teaspoons. Chili powder, I'm using Kashmiri chili powder. Again, a couple of teaspoons, roughly, maybe a little bit more. What we're going to do, just give them a little mix up in there, just coat them slightly. Then we're going to go to the cooker and fry these just to give them a little head start. Very simple stuff. So in that pan I've got some oil. I'm using a coconut oil. You can use a different one. What's there, 6 tablespoons there? It's a fair amount. What we're going to do is grab those potatoes and just drop them in. We're on a medium heat only. Nothing too high. And we're just going to throw these around for 5 or 6 minutes medium heat. Simple. Okay, so they've been going for a few minutes. Nothing crazy hot. Got a nice little bit of colour on them. We're going to fetch them out. I mean, they're still rock hard inside. It's just the outer we've done really. Fetch them out, then we can move on. So now I'm staying with that oil. I've just turned the heat off, by the way. We're going to drop in 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get the heat back on. We're going to be on a medium heat now. And I've got 3 cups of onions here. Sliced. In they go. Medium heat, 4 minutes. We're well on our way. This is going to be really delicious. Super. Next up, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we're going to stir vigorously for 60 to 90 seconds. I've now got 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato if you can. We're now going to go for about 6 minutes. We really want those tomatoes to break down. They might give off some moisture as well. So you can see the tomatoes are breaking down beautifully. We're going to add some salt to taste. We're going to add some fresh chili. Now I'm putting my fresh chilies in whole. You can chop them if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I'm using. Chop them up if you like, but I like them in there whole like that. Then, spices, a teaspoon each. We've got garam masala powder, chili, turmeric and cumin. In that goes. We're then going to drop our potatoes in. And like I say, these potatoes are pretty much raw. We just put a little bit of colour on them. Just give that a little spin. And then we're going to add water. Cold water. There's about 800 ml of water. We're now going to put the heat on very low, just a simmer. That's kind of what dum chicken, dum aloo like this. Dum means to cook on a really, really low heat. We're going to get a lid on it, get a nice tight lid on it, and just let it go for, it's going to be like 30 minutes on a really, really low heat. Okay, that's been about 30 minutes, super low heat. Off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off now and have a look. And that is delicious. Those potatoes are cooked really nicely. Check that for salt, the salt level. Let's get that served. So I've just served that with some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, on top. That is an absolute winner. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.